Today's episode is 53's reaction to Angela's snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore. And this video has been requested by Chody Wangbo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 53. I'm going to do a reaction on Angela's snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, but that's going to be even worse. But anyways, let's get on with it. How many times do I have to tell you that? You know what? That's it. Take this. That'll teach you a lesson not to replace Angela's lovely snore. Well, thank God the video ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 193.